I want to introduce you to a new artificial intelligence that can not only change faces in photos, but also change faces in videos. It can change multiple faces in a single photo and even change a character's outfit. You can use this artificial intelligence on both your computer and your mobile device. To use this product, click on Start Free Account on the main paper, then create an account for yourself using your Gmail. Now, click on the Products menu and select. Now, on this page, which is the main, I need to upload the side character's photo in this section. So I come here and provide my photo. In the second section, I need to give it the target image, which is the photo I want face to be placed on. So I click on it again and provide another photo. Now I click on Upload and Start. This is the result. Now I can either send this photo to the trash if I don't like it, or I can use this button to see the before and after comparison, or I can download it with this button. Let's try another photo. Here I keep messy photo, but I change the target photo. I click on the trash can and then give it the new photo. Here I can edit my original and my target photos. For example, if I click on the pencil icon, I can make some changes here. I can crop it, give it an angle, apply different filters, or resize it. Overall, I can make several edits to my original photo. Once I'm done, I click on Done Now, click on Upload and Start. If the result is not satisfactory for you, change your original photo. Maybe if I provide another photo, I will get a much better result. To see previous works, click on History and can access previous photos from here. You can also use other features. It has an object eraser that can remove watermarks or parts of a photo for you. It has a multi-face swap that can do this at the same time if you have multiple faces in a photo. It also has a video face swap, and you can change the characters' costumes. As you can see, it says 10 credits up here for me. If I click on Account and then Subscription Upgrade, it shows that in the free plan I'm currently using, I get 10 credits daily that I can use for image face swapping or clothing swapping to change a character's outfit. Now, if we want to have video face swapping as well, we need to get the starter plan, which costs $5. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my future videos.